This week you're doing letter names, sort 48. You will be working on short A sounds that say apple, and AR that says R in the word like star. If it doesn't follow this rule, you'll put it in oddball, and we only have one oddball this week. The first word is drag. Whenever I hear drag, there is an R and there's an A, but it doesn't say R like we're looking for. It says apple, so drag goes in the short A column. Car. Now when I say car, we either have short A, or AR that says R. So car, does it say R or A? Right, it says car, and it has an AR in it. The next word is war. Now this one's the tricky one. So war has AR, but war should say AR as an R, but it doesn't. It breaks the rule. So if it's a rule breaker, it goes to oddball. The next word is far. When I say far, it says R. It doesn't say A, so it goes in the AR column. The next word is farm. Farm also says R, and so it goes in the AR column. Bark. Bark says R, not A, and it has an AR in it, so bark goes to the AR column. Crab, like there was a crab on the beach. Crab says A, and it goes to the short A column. Oops. The next word is rag. Rag says A, like apple. It doesn't have an AR that says R, so it goes to the short A column. The next word is snap, like I snapped my fingers. Snap, when I hear the word snap, I hear A as in apple. So snap goes to the short A column. The next word is crash. Like I crashed my bike. Crash. It says A, and it goes in the short A column. The next word is trap. Like I trapped the mouse. So trap says A, not R. Apple. It goes in the short A column. So the next words, I'm going to say the word and say it in a sentence, and I want you to think where it goes and see if you are correct. So the next word is jar. Like I have a jar of jelly. Great job. It says R. Shark. There was a shark in the ocean. You're right. It says R. A-R. Grand. Grand is short A. Good job. Brag. Like I wanted to brag how great I did. Right? It says apple. This goes to short A. Next word is dark. And what I want to point out is it says R, but it has two letters. It doesn't just have the letter R. AR says R. So whenever you're spelling it, you need to make sure to include that A before the R, because you really only hear the letter R when you say it, but the two letters make the sound. So dark goes in the AR column. Yard, like my yard needs to be mowed. Right, AR. So even though you just hear R, AR makes that sound. Goes to the AR column. The next word is card. I got a card for my birthday. Again, it says R, but AR makes the R sound, so it goes in the AR column. Flag. I have an American flag. Right? It says A, it's an apple. The last word is art. I love art class. Again, you hear the letter R, but AR makes that sound, so it goes to the AR column. So this week, you need to make sure if you hear the letter R in the word, like car, you put A and R, because those are what makes that sound.